making jalapeno cheddar biscuits. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my jalapenos right here. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to spread these out on paper towel or a clean washcloth if you want. That's the frugal way to do it. And I'm just going to do all the juice out of there. And then I'm just going to cut these up just a little bit smaller. Okay, there we go. Now, I have this recipe memorized, but it is in my Dining on a Dime cookbook, volume 1. You can put salt by itself and garlic powder by itself if you want, but I have this homemade seasoned salt that I use all the time, so I'm going to sprinkle that in there. I got in my salt and my onion powder and garlic powder. You don't have to do the onion if you don't want, but I do. Then I've got my baking powder. And since I'm using sour milk, I'm going to add just a little bit, like a half a teaspoon of baking soda. You do not have to do this. I just do because it makes them fluffier. Okay, we're going to get all our dry ingredients stirred around, just like so. Going to add in my shortening, and I'm going to take my fingers. Now you can use a pastry blender or 2 knives if you want, but I just take my fingers and I just run the flour through the shortening just like that, just with the tips of my fingers, just very lightly. And then you want, see how I have crumbly pieces? See how it's crumbly? That's how you want it. You want it nice and crumbly, okay? So then I'm gonna put in all my jalapenos. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now. Now guys, these are better than Red Lobster. I guarantee it. Oh my goodness. So you don't need to be buying no package mix, none of that stuff. These are so delicious. It literally takes 5 to 10 minutes to whip it up. See, my dough is coming together. It is. Oh, that is lovely. Now, you can use a biscuit cutter if you want. I don't sometimes because I just don't feel like messing with it. And so, here's how I do it. I will just push them out into nice kind of just eyeball sizes here. And I'll show you what I'm gonna do. I'm just kind of envisioning. So there's 2, see that's about the size. All right, I got my Silpat. You can use parchment paper if you want. And then I just kind of square off the corners. Now here's a little trick with biscuits. If you want soft corners or if you want soft edges, put them together. If you want crispy, put them apart. Now we're gonna throw these in the oven and bake them. Okay, here is my jalapeno cheddar biscuits. Oh my goodness, these look so delicious. I don't even want to break into one. Oh, look at that yummy goodness. Okay, I got Jack behind the scenes here. Jack, do you want to try one?
Sure.
Taste test and see
A piece.
if it's jalapeno cheddar deliciousness perfection.
I love jalapeno and I love cheddar.
What dost thou thinkest?
Mmm. Oh.
Is that a 10 out of 10?
10 out of 10.
Yay!
It's delicious.
Mom did not fail.